Are you ready to practice transport vocabulary? To start with, we need to think about public transport and private transport. What is public transport? Public transport everybody uses. Private transport is mine or yours. So let's look at exercise 1. Put the words in the box into groups A and B. A and B. Some words can go in both groups. So, for example, a taxi. A taxi can be private or it could be public. It depends. So, public transport. Let's have a look. What could be public transport? We have a car, a plane, a train, a taxi, a bus, a tram, a bike, a scooter, a boat, a motorbike, a ferry, a coach. So what's public transport? Well, definitely a taxi and a bus and a plane, a tram, a boat, a ferry and a coach. What about private though? Private transport? Well, definitely a car. A car and a bike or a scooter, a motorbike. And if you have lots and lots of money, maybe a coach or a ferry or a plane. It depends. So, public transport, a taxi, a bus, a plane, a tram, a boat, a ferry or a coach. A private transport, a car, a bike, a scooter, a plane. I knew a man and he had his own helicopter. A helicopter. So some people have private transport, a plane or a helicopter. So let's look now at exercise number 2. We need to match the phrases. Match phrases 1 to 7 to A to G. We have go by car, go by bike, go by plane, go on foot, go by bus or go by coach, go by ferry or go by boat, go by train or go by tube. Tube is a subway, a train that goes underground, or go by tram. Tram is an electric train. If we see here number 1, go by car, we drive. Let's drive a car. I like to drive a car. I like to go by car. Drive a car, go by car. What about number 2? Go by bike. Yeah, go by bike. We cycle or bicycle or ride. I cycle to work. I go by bike to work. 3, go by plane. How do we go by plane? We fly. We fly. We go by plane or we fly. We go by plane from Hanoi to Saigon. We fly from Hanoi to Saigon. 4, we go on foot. Go on foot. We walk. Go on foot or we walk. I walk to work. I go on foot to work. I walk to work. What about number 5? Go by bus. Go by bus or go by coach. What could that be? Well, it's easy. Take the bus or take a coach. Number 6, go by ferry or go by boat. Well, same. The same as 5. Take the bus for 5, take the ferry or take the boat for number 6. What about number 7? Well, we go by train, we take the train. We go by the tube or go by tube, we take the tube. Go by tram, we take the tram. See, let's see our answers and check again. We go by bike or cycle. We go by plane or fly. We go on foot and we walk. We go by bus or we take the bus. We go by coach or we take the coach. Go by ferry, we take the ferry. We go by boat, we take the boat. Go by train, we take the train. Go by tube, take the tube. Go by tram, take the tram.